Hello friends, today's topic short term. What these 7 stocks money control. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Today's video is a report from moneycontrol.com. Due to positive global cues, once again the short term trend has turned in the markets from negative to positive in Indian side. As of now, the Indian economy is doing well and the inflation is under control. RBI may cut interest rates only after the US Federal Reserve does so. Money Control website has compiled a list of top 7 rate sensitive stocks for experts within 3 to 4 weeks perspective as per technical analysis. Number 1, Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance has been trading in a narrow range for a few years. As per technical analysis, if it closes above 6,700, it may rise till around 7,300 or higher. However, on the downside, it should not fall below 6,200 to be on the safer side. Current approximate price 6,600. Target price after 3 to 4 weeks 7,300 to 7,600. Potential upside 11 to 15%. 2. Axis Bank. Axis Bank stock has corrected quite a bit after its recent quarter results and hence it is due for a technical pullback. Current approximate price 1140. Target price after 3 to 4 weeks rupees 1210 to 1255 and potential upside 6 to 10%. Third stock, Federal Bank. Technical analysts are expecting a small rally for Federal Bank shares after recent correction from around 203. It could be carried up along the uptrend in the overall markets. Current approximate price 194. Target price of 3 to 4 weeks rupees 208. Potential upside 7%. Fourth stock, ICICI Bank. The RSI has fallen to around 37, hence it gives scope for a new rally. The price has also corrected from around 1,250 to current levels. Current approximate price 1,165. Target price after 3 to 4 weeks 1,220. Potential upside 5%. The fifth stock that is on the radar by moneycontrol.com is Maruti Suzuki. After touching a high of 13,680 a few days back, it has significantly corrected along with the overall market. Hence, it gives scope to rally. Current approximate price 12,220. Target price of 3 to 4 weeks rupees 13,000. Potential upside 6%. Sixth stock is M&M. M&M had touched the 3,000 mark just 2 months back but has moved sideways since then and traded between 2,850 to 3,000. The RSI has also fallen to 42 due to the reduced momentum. So there is a chance for a rally in the short term. Current approximate price 2,685. Target price of 3 to 4 weeks rupees 3,000. Potential upside 12%. Seventh stock is HDFC Bank. After touching a high of close to 1,800 last month, HDFC Bank has been correcting and fell to a low of 1593. However, it has slightly recovered and is in good position to start a fresh rally as per technical indicators. Current approximate price 1,650. Target price of 3 to 4 weeks rupees 1,800. Potential upside 9%. Watch out for these stocks in the next 4 weeks or so. Do your own research and if you are confident of the rally, you can consider for short term. At the end of the video, here is the question. In Karnataka, where is the note printing press of the RBI? 4 choices in front of you. A. Bangalore. B. Tumkur. C. Mysore. D. Hubli. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.